I've been using Medicube Age-R Booster Pro for the last 3 months and my skin has changed a lot, but not in the way I have expected. Hi, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more uploads for videos like this. This is the Medicube Age-R Booster Pro, and if you haven't seen my first impressions of this device, then definitely look up here. Or here. It was quite interesting using this for the first time, but I've been using this for more than 3 months and I could definitely see some results. In this video I'm going to show you my before and after of using this device, which I think you already have heard of because it's everywhere on the internet, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, because this is something that is viral and I didn't think that it would work as it does, so I had to buy it. This is not a sponsored video or anything, these are all just my opinions and thoughts. Just a quick recap if you didn't watch my first video, then this device uses EMS, LED and microcurrent to help brighten, tighten and also reduce the appearance of wrinkles on your face. And also this is a device that will help you absorb your skincare better into your skin. It has 4 modes: the booster mode, the microcurrent mode, the air shot mode and the derma shot mode. Each mode should be used differently. For example, the air shot mode you should only use on clean and dry face, so without any products. Then the rest of the modes require you to apply a serum or a moisturizer or something that would help with the moisture on your skin, because the microcurrent will need some moisture in order to work properly. And if you didn't use this with any moisturizer or serum before, then definitely try it and you will see the difference that it makes. When it comes to how I used it, I have used it around 5 to 6 times a week, because let's be honest, sometimes I was just too tired or too lazy and went straight to bed, so I didn't use this, but the results were really good. I have been only using this in the evening, even though Medicube says you should use it up to 3 times per day, all of the modes except for air shot mode, which should only be used twice or 3 times per week. And I have been using each mode for around 4 minutes, at least 5 to 6 times a week. And I have noticed that my skin started being a bit tighter and more plump. It wasn't very visible, but at least what I felt, my skin really was tighter and it felt kind of different. Right now I haven't used it, this is just my skin, what you see now, and it isn't looking its best because I have been quite stressed and haven't slept well in the last few weeks. So I have a spot up here and spots around my mouth, which isn't very pleasant, but I think that it's looking way better than if I had like cystic acne. So at least something, and it's going away because using the right skincare really helps with things like these. Let's go to the mode. The booster mode will help you absorb your skincare better. And after using this device for around 1 or 2 weeks, I have started noticing that even though if I didn't use this, my skin could absorb more product. So I have been using around 1.5 to 2 times more product on my skin, and it got absorbed very quickly without being like overly greasy or without leaving a film on my skin that I could like scrape off. This didn't happen because my skin absorbed it all, which was quite interesting to see, and it was really good in my opinion, because then if your skin can take up more moisturizer, for example, or more serum, then it will be more moisturized or the serum will work better. Of course, you have to pair it well. You just don't want to use, for example, too many actives because then it can irritate your skin. So always be aware of that. I also think that my skin is a bit smoother. For example, I had like lines going from my eyes down to like the middle of my cheek. They are still there. They are not as prominent though. So I don't know if you can see it now. I'm going to zoom you in. There are these lines that they are visible. They were more visible like 3 months ago. Also, my smile lines, when I wore makeup, it sunk into my smile lines. Now the smile lines, you can still see them, they are visible, but they do not collect any makeup, which is weird, but I don't care, I just like it. And also I have one wrinkle on my forehead. So as you can see, this one, this is something that I have had for quite some time, ever since I was like 15. So it's been there for nearly 11 years. Yeah. Oh crap, it's been here for 11 years. The wrinkle has been here for 11 years, but it still looked the same. It didn't get like deeper. But after using this, I think it got at least a little bit smaller. It's still there, you can still see it. So if you have some really deep wrinkles, this is not the device for you. You'll probably need to have some injections that will help with the skin texture. But if you have really small fine lines, for example, around your eyes, or just starting to get some smile lines like here, for example, this is something that also this device helped me with, then it can really help to reduce the appearance of that. Anyways, as I said, I wasn't as consistent as I would like to be, because there were weeks when I have been using it every single evening, but then there were weeks when I only used it for 3 times, and there have been weeks where I haven't used this at all. And when I haven't used this at all is when I saw the biggest difference. When I didn't use this for 7 to, let's say, 10 days, my skin started to feel less firm. If you don't use this for a long time, you will lose the benefits of this device. I hope that you cannot hear the lawnmower from the outside. But as I said, being consistent with this device is the key to really keep the benefits that this offers. Also, when you start using this, don't expect miracles overnight. You will really need to use this for at least a few weeks to see your face being really firm and helping the reduction of fine lines. The only thing that will be there in like a week will be the booster mode benefits, so we will be able to absorb more, or at least that happened to me. So just to summarize the pros and cons. The pros of this device are that your skin feels much smoother and tighter if you use it for a longer time. Also, it helps a ton with the absorption of the products that you are using for your skin. Doesn't matter if it's your toner, if it's your essence, serum, or moisturizer. Really, you can use up to twice as much. At least that's what happened to me. Also, if you have sensitive skin, just like I do, this doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't make it feel burning, or it doesn't make it feel like something's going on with it. So this is really great even for sensitive skin. And also something that I didn't mention is that this, if you are using it 7 days per week for around 10 minutes each day, then the charge, it lasts forever. I think I have charged it every 3 weeks, so only like twice or 3 times ever since I started using it. So really, you don't have to recharge it too often. And also, what is a great advantage is that here in the back, it has a USB-C charger. So you can charge it with just your phone charger. You don't need a separate cable, even though it comes with one. The cons of this device, well, it is expensive. It is very, very expensive. I think it goes around $350 on some websites, but I got it for $150 when it was like pre-Black Friday sales on Stylevana. So if you want to save some money and get this, then go to Stylevana and check the prices regularly. You can use my code in the description, or just go directly via the link that will be attached there, and it will get you some money off of your first purchase. And yes, Stylevana has a lot of discounts, so you just need to look for the right one. This tends to be also discounted quite a lot. I think they have currently some discounts for Medicube products around 25%. So if you want to get it, then this is a great time to get this product. Also, the Medicube came out with a mini version that is quite cheaper, so maybe just get the mini version. I think it should work the same. Then another con is that the results will fade if you don't use it regularly. So you really have to use it at least every other day to maintain the results, to really help your skin be as smooth and tight as possible. So if you're not someone who really sticks to their routine, then maybe this is not the best for you, because you will then just waste money by not using it too often. Also, something that can be a con is that it doesn't hurt, but it is a very weird feeling on your skin. So when you are using it, it is going to like move your muscles. It will twitch your muscles in your face. So it is just something that you will have to get used to. It doesn't hurt at all. The airshot mode is like static electricity on your skin, like between your skin and this device. So it is weird, but it is not painful. So it will just take some time for you to get used to it. Also, another con for this is that even though it helps with absorption of serums and moisturizers, I still have dry patches around my mouth. I don't know why, but even if I use like more product on my chin, I still have dry patches there, and even this doesn't help with that. So I'm not sure why. These are like two patches where I have really dry skin and it stays dry no matter what I do. So if you have some tips or tricks how to get rid of really dry and patchy skin even though I'm using a lot of moisturizer, then please let me know down in the comments. Also, if you have used this device, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I really want to know if you feel the same as I do, or if you have different results, because we all have different skin, so maybe you have totally different results with this one. So yeah, let me know down in the comments. Would I recommend this to you? If you are someone who will commit, then yes. If you are in your 20s or 30s and you don't have any very deep lines or wrinkles on your skin, then this is great, because it will help to reduce or to completely get rid of fine lines that you can get. But if you are someone who is not going to stick to using it at least every other day, or if you are someone who really has like very deep wrinkles, then maybe this is not suited for you, but you can try it. It is all up to you, but this is just my opinion. Also, please don't expect Botox results from this, because this is not Botox. It is not going to help you with really deep wrinkles. Just to recap, this is a great device. It does not hurt, it's just weird. You will have to use it regularly. I have used it only in the evening, around 4 minutes per each mode, except for the airshot mode, which I used only 2 to 3 times per week. I think that's it, what I have to say about this device. I am going to keep using it. The one thing that I would maybe mention just to close this video is that I am not using this on the days when I am using micro needling products. So for example, if I'm using my VT Riedel shot, you can watch the videos I have on this up here, then I am not using this one, because it is going to push the Riedels even deeper into my skin. I am not sure if it is okay, so I rather stay away from this device when I use the Riedel shot, and I use it only the day after. And yeah, that's it. That's it for my 3-month update on this Medicube Age-R Booster Pro device. If you have any questions, or if you have used it and want to share your thoughts, then please leave a comment down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss more uploads from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!